going to start division of integers, we will learn what is division. Division is a repetition of subtraction. Repetition of subtraction from the whole parts. For example, we have 10 whole parts and we need to divide into two parts. 10 whole parts divided into two parts. Then what is your answer? Let us take 10. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have 10 parts. In this 10 whole, for example 10 whole, we are dividing into equal parts. Then how many parts will get each one? So let us see that how many equal parts we have to divide. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you are divided into two parts. Each part will get 5. Each part will get 5. So that means 10 is dividing into two equal parts. We are getting 5. So that means from the whole what we are dividing? Subtracting. So two parts we are subtracting. So until completing of the whole. So we are getting how many? 5. That means subtraction. How many subtraction we are doing? Equal subtraction. So 5 and 5. We'll see one more example. 12 is divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. So how many we are getting? Let us see that. Here 10 and 12. This whole are 12. How many parts? 4 divided into 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So like that, until to complete all, we have to share it to the 4 members. So how many we are getting? Let us see that. So 4 we are divided each one. How much we got it? 1, 2, 3. Each one how much we got it? 3. Each one how much we got it? 3. So 12 is divided by 4. You will get 3. In the same manner, we will do subtraction of integers also, negative numbers also. Now we'll start division of integers. So how to do the division of integers? If we have a negative integer and positive integer, we'll see very simple example. Division of integers. In this division of integers, one simple example will take that 4 by 2. 4 is dividing by 2. So 4 how many times it will be cancelled? Right. So 2 one time, 2 2 times. The result is 2. The result is 2. If there is a positive integers, it is very easy. If we have negative integers, then how can we do it? Minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2, the same cancellation is same. 2 one times, 2 2 times. So only one negative sign we have. The result is also one negative sign. So here after cancellation in the division we have negative symbol. So the negative symbol will get the same. So minus 2. Minus 84 is divided by minus 4. Minus 84 is divided by minus 4. So numerator and the denominator both contains the negative symbol. numerator and denominator both contains the negative symbol. Then both negative symbols will be cancelled. That means you will get the plus. So 4 1 times, 8 how many times will go? 2 times, and 4 how many times? 1 time. So 21, the result is plus no need to mention here. So if the denominator contains the negative symbol, so it will goes to the numerator also. Minus 5 is divided by minus 4. Minus 5 is divided by minus 4. What is your answer? Minus 5 is divided by minus 4. Both are contains same sign. Here minus, here also minus. Both will be cancelled. Then the result is, what you will get? 5 by 4 only. Why? So in 4 table we will not get 5. Both are co-primes here. So there is no common factor for both 5 and 4. If there is a chance to cancellation like here the previous problems, you can do it, or else you will keep it like that, or we can express in a decimal form also. By dividing that you will get decimal form, right? Minus 25, okay, we'll take the plus. Plus 25 is divided by minus 5. What is your answer? Plus 25 is divided by minus 5. So 25 divided by minus 5. So 5 1 times, 5 times. But here in this division we have only one negative sign. The result is also negative sign. So like this we can practice. You need to more practice for getting easy. Okay. Thank you very much.